photovoltaic farm is a long-term investment. 25 years of operation, stable energy production, predictable revenues, and a structured return on invested capital. Whether you are a large investment fund, an industry investor, a private owner, or a company with photovoltaic assets in your portfolio, for a solar power plant to operate efficiently for at least 20 years, it must be properly maintained. Continuous performance depends on professional service. Production monitoring, fast fault response, regular inspections, panel cleaning, and technical checks. These are the factors that determine the real efficiency of the investment. Our O&M service is a comprehensive operational plan for your asset. 24/7 monitoring with production forecasting, reactive and preventive maintenance, with intervention times as short as 6 hours, scheduled technical inspections, professional panel cleaning, thermographic inspections and drone surveys, electrical audits, documentation and contract management. Our SCADA system analyzes production in real time. Lightheave is one of the few O&M service providers listed on official NATO supplier registers. We operate in Poland and across Europe. Stable production in line with business plan assumptions, maximum return on investment, long-term operational peace of mind. Lightheave O&M, professional operations and maintenance for photovoltaic power plants.